Some species of Agaphanthus are commonly known as lily of the Nile, or African lily in the UK. However, they are not lilies, and all of the species are native to southern Africa, South Africa, Lesotho, Eswatini, Mozambique, though some have become naturalized in scattered places around the world: Australia, Great Britain, Mexico, Ethiopia, Jamaica, etc. Species boundaries are not clear in the genus, and in spite of having been intensively studied, the number of species recognized by different authorities varies from 6 to 10. The type species for the genus is Agaphanthus africanus. Many hybrids and cultivars have been produced. They are cultivated throughout warm areas of the world. They can especially be spotted throughout Northern California. Most of these were described in a book published in 2004. To successfully plant Agaphanthus in the ground, choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball, add some organic matter like compost, and gently place the plant with the crown just below the soil surface. Water thoroughly after planting and continue to water regularly, especially during the first year. Here's a more detailed guide. 1. Choose the right location. Sunlight. Agaphanthus thrives in full sun, so select a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Soil. They prefer well-draining soil. If your soil is heavy or clay-like, amend it with plenty of organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve drainage. Adding grit or sand can also help. Shelter. While they like sun, they also benefit from some shelter from strong winds, especially in colder areas. 2. Prepare the planting hole. Dig a hole that is wider and slightly deeper than the root ball of your Agaphanthus plant. For potted plants, gently tease out the roots from the bottom of the pot before planting. If planting bare root Agaphanthus, ensure the pointy end of the rhizome is facing upwards and covered with about 2 inches of soil. Amend the soil with compost or other organic matter, and consider adding a layer of grit at the bottom of the hole for extra drainage. 3. Plant the Agaphanthus. Place the Agaphanthus in the hole, ensuring the crown of the plant, where the roots and stems meet, is just below the soil surface. Backfill the hole with the amended soil, gently firming it around the base of the plant. 4. Water and care. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil and help the roots establish. Water regularly during the growing season, especially in the first year. Once established, Agaphanthus are relatively drought tolerant and need less watering. In colder areas, consider adding a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to protect the roots from frost. Fertilize in the spring with a balanced fertilizer as new growth emerges. Consider dividing Agaphanthus every few years to prevent overcrowding and encourage flowering.